Welcome to CNET. Next up is C. After that is fidget spinners. After that, learn how to dab. As you can see, we have a beautiful programming language known as C, which is a 45-year-old language and is still usable today. We went all the way to the creators of this excellent piece of art, Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson, who are selling it for $50 million. You may know Ken from when we were selling his programming language B. To help sway you folks watching at home, here are some things you should be aware of C. It is a high-level programming language that is used to develop many kinds of software, and C is capable of controlling the computer on which it operates at a low level, much like annoying assembly languages. This low-level operation enables programs written in C to perform in a very stable manner. Its mix of high and low-level capabilities makes C ideal for a wide variety of different uses. Compared to other programming languages, C enables programs to be written in smaller formats that require less memory. However, the most important feature of C is its portability, a characteristic that lies at the heart of its creation. This programming language can fit in your pockets, people, so buy one today. Buy your C today at the birthplace of this language in Murray Hill, New Jersey. If you want to buy C now, call the number on the screen, and we will give you a copy of Dennis Ritchie's book, The C Programming Language. Call now. Thank you to the viewers who accidentally clicked on this channel for watching CNET. I'm joking. I'm here to talk to you about C# and the extinction of said language. Now, C# was created in 2000 by Microsoft for their .NET framework, and C# is one of the programming languages designed for the common language infrastructure. It is a multi-paradigm programming language that encompasses strong typing, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, component-oriented programming disciplines. It hurts my heart to see how this is going away so quickly, but I'm here to tell you otherwise, that you should buy it. Portability is a very key factor in C#. It's very important for source code and programmers, especially those already familiar with C and C++. C# is intended to be suitable for writing applications for both hosted and embedded systems, ranging from very large that use sophisticated operating systems down to the very small having dedicated functions. Although C# applications are intended to be economical with regard to memory and processing power requirements, the language was not intended to compete directly in performance size with C or assembly language. And that's okay. We need to all adopt a C# today. Please call below.
Major news alert, this is 9 o'clock news. I'm your host Garner, and we have just received some news that C++ has escaped. That's right, C++ has escaped. Now, as many of you just need to know, that C++ is a general purpose programming language that is often used in programs across the internet. This language uses object-oriented and many interpretive programming features while also providing facilities for low memory manipulation. Now to our reporter in the field.
C++ has escaped from Bell Laboratories. The origins of this dangerous language starts all the way back in 1979, where a researcher named Bjarne Stroustrup was working on his PhD thesis. During his work, he had to use a language called Simula. Simula was a language built for running simulations, but Bjarne believes Simula was too slow. After he finished his thesis, he decided to start working on a project he called C with Classes. As the name implies, C with Classes was meant to be an add-on for the C language. His goal was to add object-oriented programming with C languages, aka classes. In 1983, the name C with Classes was changed to C++ as to indicate being an extension of C. Back to you, Chuck.
That is very interesting. Thank you so much, Joe. And thank you for that report. Now, I'm just receiving news that C++ has been useful in many contexts, with the key strength being software infrastructure and resource-constrained systems, such as the desktop applications and servers. C++ is also a compiled language, and many vendors out there have compilers for users, such as IBM, Microsoft, and Intel. To close off this program, remember, C++ is standardized by the International Organization for Standardization. So be on the lookout. If you happen to find it, please call your local police department. Numbers on the screen right now. And up next, learn how you can save 53% or more on car insurance with this simple trick the government doesn't want you to know.